This tutorial will show you how to change your local IP address on Windows 10 and 11. You will also learn how to mask your public IP. Let's start. How can you change a local IP address on your Windows 10 device? First, click the Start button. Then click on Settings. Select Network and Internet. Choose Ethernet or Wi-Fi, depending on your internet connection. Click Properties. Next, under IP Assignment, click Edit. Click Automatic DHCP and select Manual. Then toggle the IPv4 switch on. Input a new IP address. In the video description below, you'll find detailed information about the numbers you should type in this field. Click Save. Let's see how to change your local IP address on Windows 11. The process is almost the same as on Windows 10. First, open the Settings app. Go to the Network and Internet section and choose your network interface. If you use an Ethernet connection, click on IP Assignment and then Edit. If you have a Wi-Fi connection, select Hardware Properties. Then click on IP Assignment and Edit. The next step is similar for both Ethernet and Wi-Fi connections. Click Automatic DHCP and select Manual from the drop-down menu. Then toggle the IPv4 switch on. Fill in the IP settings. Again, you will find detailed information about the step in the video description. Click Save. That's it. You might also wonder how to change your public IP on Windows 10 or 11. Method 1. Contact your Internet Service Provider, or ISP. Most ISPs have customer contact numbers that you can call to make this change. 2. Use a VPN. This is probably the easiest way to mask your public IP. Just a few clicks, and your internet traffic will be running through a VPN server. Besides, if you choose NordVPN, you will enjoy its additional security features. Subscribe to our channel for quick and easy tutorials.